Welcome back. In the last tutorial, we set up our PowerPoint environment for running VBA macros and animated a wheel. Today, we'll take it up a notch and animate an entire bicycle with spinning wheels that moves across the slide. To start, you'll need a side view image of a bicycle. If you don't have one, you can Google a suitable image and edit it using any photo editor to remove the wheels. Alternatively, you can download a ready-to-use bicycle image, wheels, and the full VBA code from the link in the description. Once you've downloaded the assets, insert the bicycle image and adjust its size in PowerPoint. Make a copy of the wheel and name one F-wheel for the front and the other R-wheel for the rear. Resize and position them accordingly. Remember, VBA recognizes shapes by name, as we covered in our previous lesson. This time, we'll use a more advanced VBA method to animate objects. The code is organized into two main parts: set motion and stop animation by object. Set motion is a subroutine with two parameters. 1. The object name. 2. A flag to determine if the object requires a spinning effect. In our animation, the wheels will need both spinning and movement, while the bicycle frame will only need movement. The code structure is similar to what we covered in Lesson 2, but we've modified it to accept parameters from a calling subroutine before running the main code. Stopping animation by object is our second subroutine. This allows us to stop animations for specific objects, important as we develop our environment with moving clouds in the future. This way, only the bicycle animation will stop when needed. Now let's add two rectangles to serve as buttons. Label one as Start Anim and the other Stop Anim. To make them look clickable, add a bevel effect. We will assign macros to these buttons so they control our animation. For the Stop Anim button, we'll create a subroutine called Stop Animation, which uses the Stop Animation by Object subroutine. Note how we specify the shape or object name when calling this function. For the Start Anim button, we'll create a Start Animation macro. Inside this macro, we first call Stop Animation to clear any running animations, then use Set Motion to animate each wheel with spinning, true for rotation. For the bicycle frame, we set rotation to false. To link these macros, select the Start Anim shape, go to Insert, select Action, and then choose the Start Animation macro from the drop-down. Do the same for the Stop Anim shape, linking it to the Stop Animation macro. Now it's time to test. Press F5 to start the slideshow, click Start Anim to begin the animation and Stop Anim to halt it. You can also experiment by adjusting the duration and repeat settings in the Set Motion code to see different effects. In our next lesson, we'll create an environment for our cyclists to explore, making the animation feel more dynamic. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. See you next time!